This video right here is a tutorial on how to fix the white screen problem that you sometimes get in the Epic Games launcher for a Mac computer. And this is what the white screen looks like right here. Now to fix this, all you have to do is just close out of your Epic Games, close out, and head on over to your help button right up here. And go to your library. Now under library, go to right here under catches, and then look for the folder called com.epicgames.epicgameslauncher. Click on it, go to web cache, and delete everything on this folder. Once you have deleted everything, your Epic Games, reopen your Epic Games launcher, and it all should start working all over again. And that is how you fix the Epic Games launcher on a Mac.